Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fakrul Hadi bin Noraini and my supervisor is Dr. Muhalim bin Muhammad Amin, and I will be presenting about my project Enhancement of IoT-Based Home Security System to Detect Intruder. I will present my project according to the outlines given, starting from the introduction, problem background, project aim, objective, the scope, module and functionalities, achievements, and lastly the video presentation and demo link. Okay, so nowadays urban population that lives in the residential neighborhood can connect to each other easily within the area. Most residential neighborhood planner always prefer the housing demand without taking account about the residents' home security. Some of the urban population does not give any attention to their house security, and most of the houses only use a padlock to prevent an intruder entering the house. If a home does not have a security system, tragedies may happen. So, to achieve this goal, IoT implementation is needed to develop a home security system that can monitor easily by the user. So, for the problem background, common home security problems that homeowner had is their security products work separately, thus resulting in a decentralized access control. This is a common issue for people who have purchased their security products from various firms. In order to resolve this problem is to ensure all of the security components need to be connected together into a centralized access control. And who have home security system, many people who have home security cameras with sensors mounted around their home uh, can encounter false alarms, and it is usually sound when pets such as dogs, cats, or birds move past the sensor. To resolve this problem is to have a double layer sensors that is used to detect intruder effectively, and it is consists of two sensors, which is PIR sensor and ultrasonic sensor. And lastly, the current home security system also does not have an extended action that will allow the user to contact the police easier if the intruder has been detected. Okay, so the homeowner needs to make an emergency call manually to the police if burglary happens, and it will take a lot of time. So for the solution, the system needs to set up an alert message to the police and make confirmation to the user. Okay, and then for the project aim, the aim of the project is to enhance the home security system into a single access control to detect an intruder by using the IoT implementation. So firstly, the project objectives is to study the IoT technology for design and development of this project. Second, to design and develop the enhanced security system in the house into a single access control. And lastly, to test and evaluate the effectiveness of the enhanced home security system. Okay, so for the project scopes, the system will signal an input value of the sensors, which are PIR motion sensor and ultrasonic sensor, and it will be stored in the Firebase server. Next, the system will be tested using a real devices installation. And third, the system will be accessed by the user using the mobile application. And lastly, the system will enable to detect the presence of the intruder by using the double layer sensors, which are PIR motion sensor and ultrasonic sensor. Okay, and then moving on to the modules and functionalities. So for the IoT devices, the ESP32 cam needs to connect to the Wi-Fi. So and then the LED and the buzzer will act as an alarm. Then PIR motion sensor will detect motion. Then ultrasonic sensor detect the distance between the object and the sensor. Then ESP32 cam capture an image, and then motion, distance and image data will be sent to the Firebase server. Lastly, the intrusion event data will send to the Telegram for police purpose. Then for the mobile application, it has a login and logout functionalities. It also has sign up function, and then it has a real-time monitoring sensor. Then the mobile application can display the intruder picture, and also it has a sidebar navigation. And lastly, the user can view and edit profile. Okay, and then for the web application, it has a login and logout function also, and then it also has sign up function. The administrator can view the mobile user information. It can view the event logs information. Also can view the captured into the picture. Then the administrator also can edit the remarks for each event logs. And lastly, the administrator can delete the event logs data when the administrator doesn't need it. So for the achievements for this project is IoT device able to detect intruder without false alarms. Then IoT device able to send the data in real time. Then user will be able to monitor house in real time by using the mobile application. Then user able to view the captured into the picture. Then the testing such as white box, black box, and also the user acceptance test thing has been made for the system. And lastly, successfully design and develop the enhanced home security system to detect the intruder at the house. So this is video presentation and demo links. I think that's all. Thank you.